at this. This is my friend Alexandre Pierre. He's a designer, and let me show you. This is his custom hoodie that he just made for me, which is actually pretty good. Look at that. I love it, man. Nice. This is actually like very good because this is my style, you know, like custom hoodie, custom like clothes as well. And yeah, this is nice. I'm just checking something. Yeah, good. I like it. Well done, man. Thank you so much for that as well. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is actually one of the best cream I ever used for my skin. And it is beautiful. No, for real, this is useful. I mean, could be better, but thank you anyway. Also, these ones, the best ones so far, for real. Thank you so much, Fila. Thank you so much, Fila. You can do like, you know, kicks. Ah, fuck, bro. And I was just like doing my vlog. And I didn't know, but I was recording but the other side of the camera. But yeah, what I was saying is, today is weird because I feel positive, man. I fucking feel positive. I feel confident, man, for real. But yeah, what I was saying, man, the thing that I was saying was beautiful, man. It was like natural. Now I have to do it again. But yeah, what I was saying is, today I'm going to central London to shoot a video with my friend Lucas again, and some other friends as well that I met at YouTube. You know the YouTube space.
Did I stutter?
But before that, I'm going to get myself a new telephone number because I don't have any, which is useful, you know, to have a telephone number anyway. But yeah, today is gonna be pretty good, positive day. A lot of stuff to do. Vlogging as well, the third one. This is the third vlog right now, which is wonderful. But yeah, if you like this type of videos, like vlog and stuff, just let me know in the comments, you know. I'm starting, but I like to do it, so if you like it, just like it. Like the video, of course. Drop a comment and stuff, and let me know. I look good, actually. I think life is all about your mind, you know, because right now, look at this. It is raining. Like the weather is like, it's not good actually. Because it's raining right now, you know. But I feel fucking positive anyway, you know what I mean? I think life is all about like perspective, you know. The way you think and the way you see your life and yourself, it is gonna determine your life, you know. So right now, whatever is gonna happen today, just fucking do it, you know, and just stay positive. That's it. Anyway, I have to go. Bye-bye. I'm late. Fucking late, man. This is good. Free. Look at this.
I want an ice cream too.
Nice. Sounds great. This ice cream is very nice. Wow.
Oh my god.
Finally, look.
Yo, what's up everybody? So short people are sometimes late, yeah? Yo.
I'm late.
You know, I need to do my beauty thing and I wanted to give time for you know, just to like mingle and
Okay. I don't know if you guys can see me right now because it's dark. But yeah, today was a bit confusing because we were supposed to shoot the video, you know, like the video for my friend. But because of the rain, we didn't. So we had to do something else. But actually, you know, this is what I like about life, which is if something doesn't happen for a day, it is for a reason, right? But like what we've done now, thanks to the fact that it was raining, we just stayed like for a few hours, like all three together, and we, as you saw, we brainstormed about like what we wanted to do, any ideas that we had in mind and stuff, and we end up with a lot of stuff. So we had many ideas of videos that we want to do. This kind of channel, this kind of channel for us to channel. This kind of channel for us to create, you know, to create content and stuff. So yeah, it wasn't like a bad day, you know. As you saw in the beginning, I was very positive. But yeah, it was a good day. So now I'm just going fucking home, and yeah. All I want to say is thank you for following me on my journey again, and for sharing this video as well if you want, if you like it. And yeah, just for being here, you know, until the end of the video. That is beautiful, right? I'll see you soon. Bye bye.